The end is near, but before you ditch the textbooks and close those laptops for winter break, here are a few things you can do now so that you can start the new semester with little stress and lots of confidence. 1. Thank your professors. Teaching is not an easy job and often goes without appreciation, so a quick thank you email from a student can mean the world to a professor. Thank them for a job well done, tell them something you enjoyed about their course, or just say, "Thank you for a great semester, I hope you enjoy your break." 2. Organize your notes. Don't be so quick to toss those notes. You never know when they might come in handy for a future class. Type them up and save them to a folder for easy access and future use. 3. Return your textbooks. Whether you purchased your textbooks from the bookstore or an online source, if your textbook is no longer needed, you can often sell them back for a little extra cash to put towards next semester's textbooks. 4. Meet with your academic counselor. At the end of the semester, you should make a habit of quickly meeting with your academic counselor to ensure that your registration is complete for the upcoming semester and that no holds exist on your account. This is also a good time to ensure that you're on track for graduation. And 5. Pay outstanding balances and clear holds on your account. Before you leave for a break and disconnect, be sure to clear up any outstanding balances on your account and address any holds. You'll not be able to make changes to your registration for the upcoming semester if you have holds on your account. Enjoy your break!